How to check your laptop temperature on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to monitor your CPU and GPU temperature to make sure your laptop isn't overheating. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, search for Task Manager and click on it to open. From there, click on the Performance tab at the top of the Task Manager window. At this point, click on CPU on the left side. Let me show you. You'll see real-time performance data, but keep in mind, Task Manager doesn't always show temperature directly. Here's an important note. You can also check your laptop temperature through the BIOS. Restart your laptop and press the F2 or delete key during startup to enter the BIOS. Look for a hardware monitor or temperature section to see your current readings. And that's it. If this guide helped you check your laptop temperature, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.